Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to update Hyundai Kona software, Updated. Start by connecting your Kona to Wi-Fi and ensure the battery is above 20% before downloading the update. Open Settings, choose Software Update, and follow on-screen prompts to download and install. Stay with your vehicle until the process finishes, then reboot the system and confirm the new software version in About Car. If you see errors, contact dealer support or use Hyundai customer support for guided help. Before installing, back up personal settings and paired devices to avoid losing presets. Verify Wi-Fi speed and stability, and park your Kona in a safe, ventilated spot. Have charging available or maintain above 20% battery to prevent interruptions. Note that large updates may take 30 to 60 minutes depending on connection and vehicle model. Keep phone and key fob nearby in case the system requests authentication. If unsure, write down current settings to restore manually. Quick recommendation and a tiny detour. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like to support the channel. On another note, Little Tree's black ice is great for masking that burnt electronics smell after long update attempts and keeping your cabin pleasant. Check the description for the product link and other deals to grab one easily. I appreciate you watching. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Begin with the ignition on but engine off and engage parking brake. From main screen, open settings, select software update, then check for updates and start download. Do not power off vehicle during install and avoid attempting other system resets. Monitor progress bar and wait for confirmation before driving. After update, review audio, navigation, and climate functions to ensure everything operates correctly and retune presets if needed. Allow 15 to 20 minutes for post-install optimization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.